Hello everyone, welcome back to Namaste React. And in this video, I am going to tell you an important thing. A lot of students were complaining that when they have released their app on a domain name, or if they are trying to use this website without using this course plugin, right? This course plugin was important, and I had told you that why this error is coming, right? If you don't use this course plugin, your code does not work. So a lot of students were facing these issues. So let me tell you in this video how you can solve this course issue so that you don't need this. You don't need this course plugin over here, right? So let me turn this off and let me tell you how you can make this work still without using this course plugin. Because see, course plugin you can put it up in your laptop, but suppose if somebody is using your website, they might not be having that course plugin, right? They don't even know about what is course, right? So they won't be having this course plugin. So let me tell you how you can make this work for other people also. Okay, so how you can do that? There is something known as, there is a website which is known as course proxy, right? Just go to this website courseproxy.io, right? This is a website which is known as courseproxy.io. This basically helps you to bypass this course error. Okay, if you don't know what is course, go to my YouTube channel, check, find out what is course. It is related, when you are trying to make a API call from one origin to different origin, right? What do you mean by origin? One domain name to another domain name. Suppose you are making call from akshayseni.in to swiggy.com, or you are trying to make an API call from localhost to swiggy.com API, right? So it does not allow, the browser does not allow. So to bypass this course, we have something known as courseproxy.io. How to use this courseproxy.io? How to use this courseproxy.io? Basically, you have to just copy this URL, okay? Just copy this URL. You just have to append this courseproxy.io, copy this, and you just have to paste it before your API. Okay, whatever API you have, just paste this courseproxy.io before this. Okay, so what it will do, now you are not directly going to the Swiggy website. You are going to courseproxy.io, and internally it is making a call to Swiggy and getting you the data. Got it? So basically now you are not directly calling Swiggy API, you are calling, the course proxy is acting as a proxy. You are calling this course proxy. Course proxy is making API call to Swiggy, getting the data and returning back to you. So course proxy is handling that course issue. Okay, so this is what it is. If I save my code, if I go back to my Namaste React application, see, it works. It works even when my course plugin is not activated. Okay, so this is what you can do. But let me tell you, my dear friends, this courseproxy.io has a limit. Okay, it has a limit. It is not unlimited, right? After I think 50-60 requests per minute or so, right? That limit is huge, right? You will never face issues. I think it's 40 API calls per minute. So if you will try to do more than 40 API calls in a minute, then it will give you an error or something, right? But I think because we are doing development, we are not concerned about scaling, right? If you want to build an app which is very much scalable, so you might want to not use this courseproxy.io, right? Or you'll have to figure out a new solution, or maybe they have a paid version or something. I don't know, but they have a limit for sure, so that you don't misuse their services. Okay, so this is what it is. So you can bypass this course issue by using this courseproxy.io. There might be other services also. If you'll go Google and see, there are other websites also which does the same thing. Okay, but this courseproxy.io works perfectly fine. So this is what you can do, and you can use it without course plugin as well now. Okay, so this is what I wanted to teach you in this video, and hope you would have enjoyed it. Best of luck for your learning journey. Finish all the videos very fast, right? And see you in the next episode. And please finish it. Please, if you're liking this series, please share it on LinkedIn. Please share it on Twitter. Please share it across with your friends. And we would be super happy for this. And thank you so much for believing in me, trusting in me, and building project and learning from me. Thank you so much. I'm super proud to be your teacher. Thank you. Bye bye.